gone all in on its next-generation Tacoma lineup, and the 2025 Tacoma Limited and Trailhunter trims showcase just how far this legendary midsize truck has evolved. From luxury touches to hardcore off-road readiness, the Tacoma family now delivers a wider range of capabilities, comfort, and innovation than ever before. Let's start with the 2025 Toyota Tacoma Limited, a trim designed for drivers who want premium features without compromising the rugged nature of a truck. On the outside, the Limited receives a more refined look with body color fender flares, a unique grille, LED headlights, and 18-inch alloy wheels that signal its upscale intent. Chrome accents and limited badging reinforce its premium placement within the Tacoma lineup. But it's inside the cabin where the Limited truly shines. Under the hood, the Tacoma Limited comes standard with the iForce turbocharged 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine producing 278 horsepower and 317 lb-ft of torque, mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission. This powertrain offers refined acceleration and solid towing capability, with a maximum towing capacity of 6,400 pounds when properly equipped. The ride quality is improved thanks to the new multi-link rear suspension, delivering better handling and a more composed driving experience than previous generations. Now let's step into a very different Tacoma, the 2025 Tacoma Trailhunter, specifically its interior. Designed for serious overlanding and off-grid adventure, the Trailhunter focuses on utility, durability, and driver readiness. Its cabin reflects this purpose with a mix of rugged materials and specialized equipment that ensure it's ready for life off the beaten path. The Trailhunter's interior features Toyota's outdoor functional design ethos, with durable upholstery designed to resist wear and moisture. The front seats are wrapped in black synthetic leather with bronze stitching, matching bronze accents throughout the cabin, and Trailhunter badging on the headrests. Rubberized all-weather floor mats are standard, and the switchgear is tuned for glove-friendly operation, a must-have for real adventurers. A special Trailhunter animation appears on the digital instrument display at startup. The center stack hosts a large 14-inch touchscreen and an array of physical buttons for key off-road controls like the locking rear differential, multi-terrain select, and crawl control. Overhead auxiliary switch slots are built in for aftermarket gear like light bars, and the rear seating area includes MOLLE panels for attaching tools or storage bags. The Trailhunter also includes a standard 2,400-watt AC inverter with rear and bed-mounted outlets, perfect for powering gear at camp. Overall, the 2025 Tacoma Limited and Trailhunter represent two sides of Toyota's midsize truck coin, one polished and connected, the other ready for wilderness exploration. Together, they show just how versatile the all-new Tacoma can be, depending on how and where you plan to drive. In both trims, Toyota's commitment to safety and driver assistance shines through. The 2025 Tacoma Limited and Trailhunter comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, road sign assist, and a pre-collision system with pedestrian detection. For the Trailhunter, off-road safety is further enhanced with a multi-camera terrain monitor that offers a live feed of obstacles directly beneath the truck, essential for rock crawling or narrow forest trails. Meanwhile, the Limited offers more on-road convenience with front and rear parking sensors and a panoramic view monitor. Whether you're navigating traffic or a remote mountain pass, both models ensure the Tacoma is smarter and safer than ever. Toyota's relentless refinement of the Tacoma makes it a top choice in the midsize segment, delivering luxury, tech, and capability with unmatched flexibility.